Welcome back, Cyberforce Red Team. Here's your playbook. We're going to go through the basic Linux playbook right here. And so we will just start with the chain. So access. So as you can see, here's the access. We're going to try to gain access to this PLC using stolen credentials. So great. Let me pull up some kind of prompt. Here we go. And as a reminder, moving this browser back and forth like this provides these links up top to be available or not available. And then the side to be available or not available. So these red boxes here are the commands you'll actually execute on your Kali terminal. There's a little helper information at the bottom there. So you just click the copy to clipboard piece right there, paste it in here. And this is assuming you've already done the startup for Kali checklist, you've updated your system, you've updated your golden Kali pool, you've updated your playbook, so you have all the greatest commands, your auto VNet, and you've connected to the VPN and rendered the playbook. All right, so this wants a password. Looks like we entered the password for score check. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it in. All right, it looks like I am score check here. Fantastic. And it says successful. It should look like this, and it does. So this green is your example output. So next, verify access. So we're just going to do this ID. So again, this blue, if I didn't say it already, and this helper text down here this is the command you execute in the target connected terminal. So this is the connected terminal that we're connected with. We post this, and we've got the ID of the current user, and that matches this example output in the green. Great. So let's check the connection source. This is a variable, so we're going to go ahead and paste it in. There we go. That is the connection source. Now check the established connection. So that would be copy this. We'll grep through and find establish, STAB, right there. And it looks like you should see the active TCP connection for this one, 1046. Let's see here. Um, 172 to 10. Oh no, 100. 100. Oh, there it is. Perfect. So yep, 172 to 100. We're good to go. Great. All right. Now on to the persist piece. We'll go ahead, and it looks like we will do a privesc and persist on the PLC. Prerequisites, access via the score check. That's what we got going on. So let's become root. So again, blue text is what we put in the terminal for the machine we're at. All right, we are root now. Fantastic. Yep, we got a root. Very good. Verify access. Sure, we can do that even though we can tell that we're root, but we'll do this again and we're for sure root. So let's generate a key on our Kali box. So I got to open up another terminal. So let's new terminal. So it looks like I'm making a directory. It's going to be in the op directory under RTFM, keys, and PLC sandbox AVN. It's going to remove a file. That, and it's going to make some keys this key. So just in case this key's already there, it's going to remove it. All right. So doing that, did that, done. Great. Now, generate authorize key payload. The script prints out a generated command and saves it to your clipboard. Fantastic. The command will authorize, make trusted the key we generated. Okay, so this is the key that will be able to log into root or the score check. So we will execute this on the Kali host. So this is copy paste. Paste. Sent all this stuff to the key clipboard. This X clip right there. That's great. Generate the command looks something like this. Kind of. And then we'll go into authorize key for root. Let's see. Authorize your key. For what we did earlier. Paste the copy command generated above into your SSH session. It should be copied to your clipboard already. Yep, sure is. Command executed in target connection. So we will drop key, paste and copy the command generated above into your SSH session. It should be copied into your keyboard already. Right. So we go here and paste. Okay. So yeah, it's making the directory. It's putting, if this isn't already here, and it's echoing your key into here. So great. Our key is in there on our Ubuntu host so that we can go to other places. All right, so let's go ahead and become score check. Now we'll do the same. So, okay, score check, paste. Okay, we are score check. Very good. Check for score check prompt. Make sure you are now score check. Yeah, we can tell we are. It is there. Yep. So authorize key for score check. Again, we're going to do this whole deal where we execute this in the Kali terminal and send our stuff to our clipboard. Cool. Then we're going to take it and we're going to put it into our Ubuntu box under score check. So now under the score check user, they have it in their SSH area, this key, so that they can use the key. So that is great. Now we'll exit out of here. And now we're root. Cool. So, yep, root confirmed. Green example output. Great. Test key for score check. So first we'll test it. So basically we're going to go to an address. We're going to use SSH via this proxy, which is a auto VNet magic thing. And then we will use the ID that we created for our key, our public key, and we'll go to score check. So let's go. Oh, command not found. Well, that's not cool. Let's see here. Oh, sorry. So command executed in host Kali terminal. So we must read. Must read. It's taking a long time. Okay, so as you can see, I'm score check in Ubuntu. So we made it from the Kali because we had the key to the Ubuntu server. Sweet. Great. And so there that is. The key works. And then exit your new shell. So this is the new shell here. I'll say exit. Cool. Now we'll test the key for root. So again, read the text here, put it on your host terminal, paste, good to go. Eventually it'll log in as root under the PLC. All right, so the key should work and we'll exit. There it is, we're root. Sweet, let's exit. All right, root SSH session, blah, blah. You should have one root SSH session left over, the one you used to authorize the keys. Sure. All right, so let's deploy MSF. So this is really long, so I'm actually going to pause here and continue this at a different time, but we will be at the deploy MSF section when I pick back up. All right, see you when I pick back up.